left on front, left on Blue Jays,
Okay, left.
and left.
Left on. Where I start reading? Left on.
Well, this is front. Damn.
You're in D3, not D. Turning left, okay.
Go.
I am.
Okay, go.
Okay. We bought one Blue Jays Way.
Blue Jays. That's Blue Jays. Left.
This is Blue Jays.
Yeah.
Blue Jays Ways.
Stop now. Next we want Spadina. We want to go right. I mean, left. After Blue Jays, Spadina. Yeah, Spadina. Just watch out, there might be another.
The car in there. Yeah, there is. There is. Okay, go, 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 go.
I can't.
Okay, go, go, go. We have a lot of like that. Statue.
Left on Spaldina. Leave that alone now. Spaldina.
Huh? Spadina?
Yeah, we need Spaldina.
Spadina?
Okay, that's why we weren't finding Spaldina a while ago.
Why?
Blue Jays. Or anything a while ago. It's kind of kooky. This should be Spaldina. Yeah. Nice they have the names of the streets. I don't think this is Spaldina.
This Brenner. Ah, Bremer.
That street back there. This
Can I
street,
U-turn here?
this street we just own. Not easily. I'm just gonna take a right and see what happens. What's it say up there?
Bremer. The Navy Wharf.
In front of us, please.
Huh?
That metal,
Yeah? Yeah, what is that?
straight in front of us,
Yeah.
that next building. Wonder what that's supposed
It's like
to
a
be.
broom. Spadina, Spadini.
Spadina. Spadina. Dude, I don't know how you're supposed to be going to the right when you're over there in the damn left lane.
Stop.
I ain't letting his ass in.
Oh my god. The Spadina is coming up.
This is
The
Spadini.
light, yeah, Spadina. The crossing there's Spadina.
All the directions for the motel are right. Just go from that Gardenia
Gardiner, yeah.
and everything will be fine. I just got against two Gardenia.
You are on D3, not D. Your gear.
I want to go east. Gardenia.
Gardiner. There you go. That's Gardiner.
What the hell is east? This is going west too.
Might be
Son of
this
a
left.
bitch.
this. Fine. Gotta be sign going into, even though they got that marked.
No people in there. There is passenger.
It's kind of freaking when your car and ain't supposed to be nobody else in this lane, and you got somebody beside you.
This is east, so we just stay here because this is east. There is Padina, Scotland area.
Where's Medina?
Scotland area. Oh yeah, yes. We're looking for Gardner now.
Yeah, we're looking for Gardner.
Gardner Expressway.
Right there.
Yeah, it is. Oh, slow down. Okay, go. Oh, stop because they're stopped there.
I am. We're going right now. Go forward on.
Okay.
Go
Forward
forward
now,
on the
forward now, okay.
Go forward on the direction.
Caxel now, Caxel.
Shut your mouth. Go forward on the directions for the motel.
Forward now.
Coxwell.
Caxwell, yeah, Avenue. Exit left. This Harvey's.
Harvey the Rabbit.
Days in. That's the word.
Brakes.
Huh?
Brakes need replaced.
You want us to go on entrance? No.
Let's go on the side.
The other side? There's the car parked there. Yeah. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
The burger. This is chili.
Chili. My burger small.
Small burger. Small burger. Chicken burger.
Morgan.